Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we have been in the process of renovating our bedroom. Well, not really renovating because we haven't done anything to our bedroom since we got our home. So we have started doing some DIYs for the bedroom, and today I'm going to show you how we turn an Ikea dresser into a very modern centerpiece. So let's go get started. So first thing I did was assemble the whole dresser. After I assembled the whole thing, I took out the drawers. I also took out the legs. The reason why I did that is because I want to mimic the tapered legs that mid-century furniture pieces always has. So I just make an angled mark on it and then let my husband cut it for me. And then I'm going to stain that later on. The other thing that I did was leave out the original knobs that comes with the dresser. I'm not going to use this. I purchased a brass long handle from Amazon. I purchased 3 of them, and the only other thing was the hole. The original hole of the drawers was a little bit longer than what my knobs length is. So what I did, I filled them up with this wood filler that I got from Home Depot and sand them before I'm going to paint them later on. So I wait until it's fully dried up and then sand them down to nothing, so I have a smooth surface when I paint the drawers. While I wait for the drawers to dry out, I'm going to start staining the frame of the dresser. I picked up a small can of Special Walnut by Varathane from Home Depot, and I'm going to use this to stain the just the outside frame of the drawer. After the first coat, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't like how light it turned up. So I applied 2 more coats of this stain, the whole thing, and I really like how it turned out. It has that reddish tone to it that's kind of match our floors, which is really nice, and it also match up our beds. It took me 3 days to finish the project because I want to leave the stain overnight and just to see how dark it is in the morning before putting in another coat. So it took me 3 coats to really reach the shade or the stain color that I want for the dresser, and it's really worth the wait. It turned out really nice. For some reason, I cannot find the clip that I did when I painted the drawer white. So I did a couple of coats of flat white paint on the drawers. And my husband did attach the drawer knobs, but I didn't get any clip of that because he was working by himself and I wasn't home when he attached it. But basically, we had a mishap attaching the drawer pulls because the initial hole that we made is a little bit shorter than our drawer pulls, so we had to take it all apart, sand it down, paint it all over again, and finally my husband had discovered a way how to do it properly, and he did attach the drawer pulls properly, straight, and it turns out really nice. And voila, this is the finished look of the dresser. It really is a great piece in addition to our bedroom. It really complements our whole bedroom theme. And I'm really excited to start designing or decorating this dresser. And I hope you guys like this video. If you do, give this video a thumbs up, and there's more DIY coming up your way. Stay tuned, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!